Shalom Talmidim, here's the vocabulary from Seow's grammar in chapter 11. Most of the words this week are nouns, with a few related words. Beged, beged, garment or clothes. Bakkar, bakkar means cattle. It's often used as a collective of many individuals with a singular Hebrew. Boker, boker means morning. It's a segulate noun. If you want to say good morning in modern Hebrew, you say Boker Tov. Choma, choma is a wall, usually a city wall or a wall around a garden. It's a protective wall, not necessarily a structural one. Chutz, chutz means outside, or if you're in a city, the street, because streets are outside. If we add min to chutz, we end up with michutz, which is basically an adverb meaning outside. The opposite of outside is inside, mibayet, which is min plus bayet, mibayet. Yayin, yayin, wine. Kol, which means all, or each, or the whole, or every. It's usually found in the construct. When it is spelled with makef, the hyphen, it's spelled with kamatz chatuf. When it occurs by itself, it's spelled with cholam. Both forms are pronounced kol. Kanaf, kanaf, wing. It's a feminine singular word. Keruv, keruv, cherub, a type of angel. The descriptions we get in the book of Ezekiel suggest that they were composite creatures with body parts made up of different types of animals and humans. Keruv. Maweth, maweth means death. In the construct singular, the awe diphthong will reduce to o, cholam vav. There's a related verb, mut, to die. Technically we learn this in chapter 14, but it's just as easy to learn it now. Matar, matar, rain. It doesn't occur more than 40 times. For my class, you don't need to learn it. Malacha, malacha, work or mission. Its construct singular form is melechet, and it's related to the noun malach, angel or messenger. Ne'um, ne'um, oracle or utterance. It's usually in construct, and it's functionally equivalent to thus says. Sefer, sefer means a scroll, something you write on. Edah, edah, congregation, assembly. Afar, afar, dust. Tzon, tzon means a flock or a group of sheep and or goats. It, like bakkar, is often used in the singular as a collective noun referring to multiple animals. Tzava, tzava, host or army. Often God is called Adonai Tzevaot, the Lord of hosts. Tawech, tawech. It means the middle, an inner part, the midst. It's most often in construct, toch, and usually with b or min. When it occurs without b or min, it only is 38 times in the Old Testament. B'toch, however, in the midst of, occurs 312 times, and mittoch, from the middle of, occurs 68 times. B'toch and mittoch are therefore much more common than just tawech or toch by itself. There are a few other words in this chapter. We have the verb shuv, to turn or return, Sometimes it's also used for repentance. Az, an adverb meaning then or at that time. And if we add min to az, we get an adverb meaning since that time, but it only occurs 20 times in the Old Testament.